Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Nazar, and today I'm gonna speak about how did fuel, how did COVID affected fuel before and after. Because of the travel limitations and the drop in demand, the COVID-19 pandemic had a substantial impact on the aviation business. Significant decreases in passenger numbers have resulted in the flight cancellations or planes flying empty between airports, resulting in enormous revenue reduction for the airline and forcing several to lay off personnel and declare bankruptcy. To limit their losses, some have attempted to avoid refunding cancelled visits employees from airlines manufacturers, and airport operators has also been laid off. While we don't know how sincerely COVID-19 will affect public health and the global economy, the disease is a driver of a global uncertainty and concern. Uncertainty, of course, is bad for the economy, bad for the consumer sentiment, and bad for the business investment. While this kind of pandemic usually produces only a very short term in economic impact, it, it can have some serious effects in particular areas of the economy. The impact of COVID 19 on the fuel market has been pronounced, but the virus could also spur a move to substantial sources of fuel. Although activity has bounced back from the lows from the late April and the early May, the level of activity in business aviation is still significantly below 2019. Crude oil and jet fuel prices rose consistently through 2020-21, reaching new heights in early 2022. A barrel of West Texas Intermediate crude oil is currently trading around 11 $111 as of June to 2022, up almost 135% since the beginning of 2021. Refined product costs have climbed even more, with a jet fuel now costing around $4 per gallon in the United States, up approximately 90% since the start of 2022, and approximately 215% since January 2021. With higher fuel prices, the margin cost of operation increased, which in the past has led to more disciplined capacity development. Better discipline restores the profitability. To illustrate, the period between 2010 and 2012 and 2000, relatively high fuel prices. On average, the cost of a jet fuel was around 70% higher than it had been between 2003 and 2005. But capacity discipline improved, and the average operating margin in that period was significantly high than it had been during 2003 2000 and 2005. While there are uncertainties, other factors at playing, including consolidation, the significantly improved margin despite higher fuel prices stands out. Higher marginal cost forced airlines to reassess route profitability. In some instances, choosing not to fly certain routes as keeping them operational would be more expensive than keeping the aircraft grounded. This led to more rationalized capacity behavior across the industry. For an industry where overcapacity is one of the key challenges to sustain profitability, this was a beneficial reaction. As a wise man once said, all good time has to come to an end. With all that in mind, we can be sure that COVID affected the fuel prices significantly. To overcome this dilemma, we need to make sure that the economy of the company has to be better in all majors. For all the prices to be low again, with the increases of fuel prices, there will be increase in all prices in the aviation sectors. Thank you, and if you need any more info about this topic, we can tackle. Please feel free to contact me and on social media accounts in the description, and don't forget to subscribe and share. See you. Thank you.